This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 95 of building the Ford GT40 from DeAgostini. In this issue, in the whole front end, it's going to look great when we're done. Well, we're not done, but you know, we're getting there. We've already done this bit, haven't we? Is that part of the... We haven't put that in yet, but we've got that bit. I remember doing that. Anyway, for now, we'll have a look through the magazine and then we'll get some bits assembled. Pace cars, I don't quite understand what they do. Surely they just start a race and they just start and they should go. But yeah, there we go. All about that. All interesting stuff if you're into that sort of thing. So in this issue, we've got a huge bit. We've got the main body assembly piece. And then we're not going to use it. We're going to work on what we've got from before, even using screws that we got before. We're going to be putting the bumper onto the hood. And that's about it. So let's have a look at the parts and then get some parts built. So today's part included is indeed the very nice main body piece. I like it quite a lot, and we're not going to do anything with it. We're going to put that to one side. Actually, I'll put it right the way off to one side because we need a bit more room for that we've been working on. And back from the first issue, I think the middle bit or the outside, anyway, whatever. That's what we had built already for the first issue. This has got the lens coverings on. What it hasn't got is bulbs fitted to it, because these are the bulbs that are going to be fitted to it. Let's see, it goes that way up. So these are the bulbs that are fitted into there, from that being like that afterwards. So somehow we need to arrange things to give us room to get these bulbs into there and then attach it all together. How are we going to do that? According to the instructions, it just says just do it. So I shall attempt to just do it. Again, we're going to need a pair of tweezers to push these bulbs home. Being careful not to pull out the bulbs from the previous bit. So that will go into a hole there. Just like that. That does it. Same on the other side. Turn this around that way. That one there. Into there. Quite secure. I'm happy with that. Get these wires out from here. And then that should go over there. Though it's got to go over and under. The front bit's got a crowd piece that's got to go in front. That's got to go in front of that. Somehow. Go under that there. No, maybe. A bit like that. There we go. That goes through there. Quite a lot like that. Feels like there's a gap there, but it's not. It's the black edge piece. So that is on there, and one of my little clips has fallen out. I thought that might happen when I was messing around with it. There we go. I might put a bit of tape over them to ensure they don't escape any further. They were never a great fit. So that's that. We do need to fix it with some screws, which are the ones that it supplied us with last time. It says 8, but I've counted up. There's 10. There's 2 at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on each side. It doesn't mention these ones down the end here in the instructions. So I don't know how many screws have they given me. If they've given me 10, I'm going to do all of them. If they haven't, then I won't. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So yes, they obviously mean do all of them. They just neglected to mention all of them in the instructions by the looks of it. But you're not going to be able to get to these afterwards. If it is wrong, I shall take them back out again, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Let me get a few of these in loose, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when they're all nice and secure. It's going to take a little bit of time to get all of these screws in. So yeah, let me get them all in. I'll tape up these bits as well and then see how it looks finished. So there we have it. I've put them back in. I haven't put any tape over them obviously yet because I want to look at it and get some nice pictures, because that's going to go on the front there. Much like that ish, I should think. And that is really starting to come together. Looking good. I shall get it onto the body by the time I finish this month's build. Not officially, but certainly behind the scenes, I shall get that done. And we'll see how it looks with the doors on and everything. It's going to be quite impressive. So, thank you for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.